Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on SOFI on January 16th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $15.51 at regular hours and at $15.61 at pre-market hours. And at this very point, my main assumption was that we pretty much completed the retracement to the downside from its swing high, and we have to see the confirmation of its movement to the upside, or we have to see the rejection out of the previous swing high. And guys, I told you, if this asset continues its movement to the upside, it will be a 5-wave structure. Otherwise, it will be an ABC structure, and we have to see another retest of this bottom. And guys, take a look right here. Let me show you. Let's switch to hourly time frame, turn on all the tools. We were at this point, and right after a consolidation phase for just several hours, we broke this movement, this range of resistance to the upside. And right now we eliminated this count, and I have to admit that according to Elliott wave theory, potentially we've formed all 5 waves to the upside. And what to expect next, I will show you in just several minutes. But guys, for now, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for now I added the gold tier for limited 10 vacant places, and the only difference in between these two tiers is this one. Discord access member will have all the data for the potential trades, for the potential tickers that you should be aware of, but the gold tier members will have the exact setups with the stop loss and take profit orders. They will have the exact notifications when and how they should trade certain asset. On top of that, for each and every member, I will do a weekly 30 minutes Zoom calls in order to answer their question and in order to teach them how to properly use technical analysis and how to be successful trader. That is why, guys, for some of you this might be a game changer opportunity, and if you want to drastically enhance your trading skills, feel free to invest in yourself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And guys, let's take a look again at its price chart. I have to admit that this asset is very technical. Let me switch to daily time frame and turn off all the tools. You can see that from its lowest point, swing low at on August the 5th, this asset has a quite substantial movement to the upside. Then, guys, I told you that in my previous video we formed some kind of bullish flag, and we have clear range of resistance if we connect these 3 tops. So let me show you like this. If I connect these 3 tops and these 3 bottoms, we have a clear bull flag, and we have a breakout above the upper border of this channel. And since I made my previous video, this asset gained about wait a second, I will show you, about 17% to its value, and we even broke its previous swing high. What does it mean? I will show you in just several minutes. On top of that, I will show you potential price target, medium and long-term price target for SOFI. But for now, guys, let's take a look at its fundamentals. First of all, I want to pay attention to the most recent updates from analytic firms. And we don't have any news from this site, and I want to pay attention to the consensus analyst price target. Guys, as you can see right here, it is still below our current price. According to Market Beat, it's set at $11.71, which implies about 33.44% of downside potential. And according to Tip Ranks, it's set at $13.19, which still implies about 25% of downside potential. And we have mixed forecast. As you can see, 6 analysts suggest to buy, 5 to hold, and 4 to sell. So that is why, guys, I think SOFI is forming its local swing high, and then we have to see a little bit longer consolidation phase. But first of all, guys, take a look right here. This is the list of institutional investors, and I want to pay attention first of all to this chart. As you can see, this number shows that more and more institutional investors want to hold SOFI in their investment portfolios. And I have to admit that it is a very good sign for the long-term holders. But medium-term perspective and short-term perspective is not so bright. And I will show you what I'm talking about within just several minutes. But for now, let's take a look right here. It is the Yahoo Finance website, and here you can see the article that was published just 3 days ago, and it's titled SOFI Technologies reports next week. Wall Street expects earning growth. And to be honest, guys, I covered multiple times their recent earnings report, and the majority of them were extremely promising. Let me show you that they didn't miss any of last 4 reports, and right here it was a mixed report. They missed on earnings per share, but they beat expectations on revenue. And in general, guys, each and every earnings report shows that SOFI is improving its fundamentals. And guys, as you can see, I made a lot of videos on SOFI. My win rate on this stock is, I think, more than 70 to 75%. That is why you can rely on my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's delete unnecessary tools. I don't need this line, I don't need this range of support, this range of resistance, because we already broke it to the upside. And pretty much that's it. I don't need this scale anymore as well. So, what to expect next? First of all, guys, if this is the third wave, internal third wave, we have to form another leg to the upside to complete its fifth wave. And definitely right after that, it will be a major retracement to the downside to unload its overbought structure. But for now, guys, if this is the bottom of the third wave and it is the top of the third wave, and we have bottom of retracement that was lower and that is lower than the swing high by 22%, I have to admit that it is a very healthy retracement. We can pull the Fib extension tool. Let me delete this tool as well. Fib extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top. Wait a second, it is not the correct bottom. Let me pull it from this bottom. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and extension in the fifth wave. From this bottom, from August the 5th to this top and to the bottom of the retracement. And guys, the most probable range of extension for the fifth wave compared to the third one is 0.618. It is $22.53 as a price target. But don't get me wrong, we will not have this movement to the upside in a straight line. It will not gain about 30% to its value within next several sessions. Most likely, guys, and if my assumption is correct, if we've completed, let me show you like this. If we've completed 5 waves to the upside, we have to see this type of retracement. And as you can see, we are forming this ABC retracement. And to be honest, guys, I will project a couple of crucial levels for you to stay in line with the forecast, but I have to admit that it is very difficult to assume that we might land much lower than the current price, because potentially we might have, this is our A wave, this is our B wave, and somewhere here might be the bottom of our C wave that will not break the bottom of the fourth wave, as in a classical Elliott wave theory example. But at the same time, guys, this ABC might be only a part of bigger ABC, just an A wave on a bigger scale. Then we have to have a B wave, and then we have to have a C wave to the downside. And what crucial levels do we have? First of all, if it breaks this bottom, this range of support that I marked basically weeks ago at $16.44, we will confirm that this retracement is happening, and we have to see the accumulation zone somewhere in between 16 and maybe somewhere around $16 mark. Then, guys, we have to see the next leg to the upside. And the crucial point in terms of its time is this one. It is an earnings report that they will publish on Monday, January 27 of this year, basically in less than several days. And guys, I think we might see this retracement that will land somewhere lower at around $16 mark, right around this earnings report. And then somewhere around this, let me mark it like this, potentially we might have this entire range as the range of support. From this level, despite the fact, despite the number of waves to the downside of this ABC correction, we might see the trend reversal if the fundamentals supports this movement. And in this case, guys, only in this case, we will have two more major waves that will hit this price target at $22.28. But for now, guys, as you can see on the pre-market hours, we are down and we are in this type of consolidation. That is why, guys, stay in line with this forecast. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack.